Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Enjoy 60X, and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So the soft reset or force restart operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working, it does not respond to your touches, and you cannot do anything basically. Then you can try to force restart it, because your device will simply cut all of the processes and close all of the apps and restart the system. So in order to do that, we have to press the power button, which is right here, and volume down button together, and wait until you will see the black screen and the developer's logo. So let me press both of those buttons, and as you can see, I've just made a screenshot. However, just ignore it, keep pressing those buttons. It will take approximately 8 seconds maybe, of course, if you're pressing both of them. And as you can see, we had the black screen, we've got right now the developer's logo. I also felt the vibration, so our device is restarting, so we have to wait until the process will be finished and your device will be ready to work again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.